baby.
So this is the finished look of this super pretty unit right here, guys. So this unit was sent to me from WowAfrican.com. I'm going to read the specs off of my phone. So this is a Kim Ombre Brown Human Hair Lace Front Wig. The SKU number on this one is CLW63. Now this one is Kim K inspired, obviously. The style is straight. Now this one is an ombre brown color, kind of like an ombre ash brown color, which I absolutely think is super, super cute. Now I have not seen companies really do a color like this in an ombre form. I think they did a pretty good job on this one. So the unit is 20 inches long, guys. It's 180% density. It is a pre-plucked hairline, guys. The cap is a cap 7 lace front cap wig, and it does come with 6 inches of parting space. I did flip the cap over and show you guys the inner cap. There's a lot of parting space. You can do a lot of styles with this one. My cap color is probably medium brown. It is elastic band that does come with it. Most of their units do come with their signature elastic band, which makes it pretty secure. You guys saw that I just used the Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray to hold this down, and that's about it. So with their adjustable strap, it really helps the unit stay in place, which I really like. So if you want to wear this unit for a few days, you could just use the Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray, and that's it, because this one is pretty much a glueless unit, and this does come with bleach knots. Most of the units from this company, I consider them complete units, so they come with just about everything. So the only thing that that's required for you to do is probably just tweeze it a little bit if you want, and just style it, and that's it. So with this one, I did wash this overnight. I let it air dry, and then I decided to blow dry it out. I initially was going to do curls and stuff like that with this one, but I decided to go ahead and wear it straight, and I think this straight looks really, really good. I feel like my perimeter, my top part is very, very flat and realistic, so that was one thing I was aiming for. Sometimes you get a little bulkiness in some types of wigs like this, especially when it comes with that adjustable strap. It just kind of, for some reason, makes this area so bulky, so I was able to get it to flatten out pretty nicely. Now, another thing I really love about this company, guys, the hairline always looks fucking great. Like, this is a glueless unit, guys, but the hairline looks freaking amazing, and it comes with that perfect adjustable strap, so you can really kind of disguise it up a little bit when it comes to gluing it down and making your baby hairs look natural. I just kind of let them, I sprayed it with the Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray and just let it do whatever I wanted to do, and I think it looks pretty good, guys. So this unit for me is going to be a one that I recommend. I do think it's very, very pretty for the season, and it's definitely going to be a nice unit to carry on into the winter time as well, so I definitely really like it. Another thing I want to point out, the front pieces, like the front part of the hair, is slightly longer than the back portion, as you guys can see, but I guess it was going for that whole Kim K style that she had with that brown hair. I'll insert a picture for you guys, so I wasn't mad about that because I thought it gave it just so much more character, and I did go ahead and bump the end. As far as shedding, I did receive a little bit of shedding, but nothing major. Tangling didn't really exist for me, but all in all, guys, I think this unit is really pretty. I will leave all the information down below per usual, guys, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!